So not only I am a successful believer, but I will also become from the inheritors of the dua that we always make. Ya Allah, grant me the Firdaus al-A'la. Here you go, Habibi. Here you go. The characteristics to get to the Firdaus al-A'la. At the end of the whole thing, Ulaika, these above are the ones who inherit the Firdaus. In it, wife comes and tells me, Wallahi ya Shaykh, you should see him at home. If you want to know who you are, I have to ask your wife, because she knows you the most. And if you want to know about the wife, ask the husband. These are the real you. Who gets the level of a person fasting all day, up all night? The one with the best of manners. Akhlaq and manners, they go hand in hand. After Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned, look at the reward for these things, it's not easy. After Allah mentioned all these characteristics, what did He say? أولئك الذين يرثون الفردوس هم فيها خالدون. Allahu Akbar. So not only I am a successful believer, but I will also become from the inheritors of the dua that we always make. Ya Allah, grant me the Firdaus al-A'la. Here you go, Habibi. Here you go. The characteristics to get to the Firdaus al-A'la. At the end of the whole thing, Ulaika, these above are the ones who inherit the Firdaus. In it, they will stay eternally, forever. Forever, not a week or 2 weeks vacation. Not a year vacation, forever in the Firdaus with complete na'imun muqim, forever bliss. Allahu Akbar. Now, if you notice something, and believe it or not, this is my topic. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He did not say, قد أفلح المؤمنون الذين يصلون ويزكون ويحجون ويعتمرون ويقرؤون القرآن ويدعون ويتصدقون. Listen please carefully, because this is extremely important, because we narrowed our deen to salat and siyam. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said قد أفلح المؤمنون. Okay, we got that. First, ibadah, the most important ibadah. الذين هم في صلاتهم خاشعون. What's after that? Akhlaq. دين أخلاق. زكاة فاعلون دين. لغو معرضون لفروجهم حافظون أخلاق. لأماناتهم وعهدهم راعون أخلاق. على صلواتهم يحافظون دين. What is that message? What's that message يا أخي? والله يا أخوان, please listen carefully. If you want to take one thing from this khutbah, أخلاق and deen go hand in hand. Akhlaq and deen go hand in hand. Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, Innama. Hadith started by Innama. Innama adat hasr. It means whatever comes after it is exclusively. Innama bu'ithu. I was exclusively sent to do what, Ya Rasulullah? Li'utammima makarim al-akhlaq. To perfect good manners. I was only exclusively sent to perfect good manners. So you pray and you fast and you lie and you cheat and you go home and beat your wife, and the wife curses her husband, and the son curses his father and closes the door in his mother's face and yells at her. What is that salat? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He said, as-salat tanha anil fahsha'i wal munkar. Salat prevents from fahsha and evil, kaba'ir. Siyam, fasting, Rasulullah ﷺ said, whomsoever his fast does not stop him from qawl az-zur, from false talk and acting upon it, there's no need. Allah has no need for his stopping his eating and drinking. خذ من زكاة, خذ من أموالهم صدقة تطهرهم وتزكيهم بها. Take from their wealth zakat. For what? To purify them, so they can be clean from the ignorance and selfishness which are bad manners. لا رفث ولا فسوق ولا جدال في الحج. No illicit behavior, no bad talk, no argument in Hajj. So my salat and my ibadat are supposed to improve my manners. And this is where the problem of the ummah. We do all these things are rituals. Rituals. The salat did not do anything to me. I've been praying for 20 years. I still go home and yell and scream and have no manners. Ya akhi, what are the manners? Smiling face all the time. Kindness to others. When it comes to the parents, you favor them over your own needs. Your mother or your father ask you for something that you don't feel like doing. This is birr, to go do something against your desire for your parents. Respect and honor. Many people in the masjid, the most beautiful faces, always in the masjid. And the wife comes and tells me, Wallahi ya Shaykh, you should see him at home. If you want to know who you are, I have to ask your wife, because she knows you the most. And if you want to know about the wife, ask the husband. These are the real you. When we have great manners, Ya Rasulullah, what is the heaviest thing in the scale? Good manners. Ya Rasulullah, who is the most beloved person to you? The one with the best of manners. Ya Rasulullah, who is guaranteed the highest place in Jannah? Ahsanukum akhlaqa, the one with the best of manners. Who gets the level of a person fasting all day, up all night? The one with the best of manners. Akhlaq and manners, they go hand in hand. A man came to Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam and he said, Ya Rasulullah, I have a neighbor. I know of a woman, listen carefully and I will end with this. She fasts all the optional fast. Monday, Thursday, 3 white days, Ashura, Arafah, everything. But Ya Rasulullah, she hurts her neighbors. She hurts her neighbors with her tongue. Keep in mind, this woman does not only pray the 5 daily prayer and fast Ramadan. No, this is nothing. This is done already. She is way, way up there. Fast, the optional fast, and she does something that many of us do not do. But Ya Rasulullah, she harms her neighbor. Not she beat her, no, with her tongue. She curses her, she does not reply the salam, she spreads rumors against her, whatever. هي في النار لا خير فيها. لا خير فيها. There's no khayr in that woman. Ya Rasulullah, she prays qiyam. لا خير فيها. Ya Rasulullah, she fasts all the days. لا خير فيها. Is there any stronger dalil that the importance of the akhlaq and the deen go hand in hand? May Allah improve our akhlaq. May Allah give us the right understanding of our deen.